Well, YouTube, we're back at it again here. This is Doug with Doug's Earhole Entertainment. Most of you know I've got a pond out here, and with that pond I've got a solar set up here with a pond pump. Now it's going to be kind of archaic because I just kind of gave you a look here. That's a charge controller, the blue, a power inverter, the red, to the pump. This is a timer here, this black apparatus, and it all operates off of this marine battery here. So my setup is this faces the south here. This is south. So I've got 4 25-watt solar panels. They're just Harbor Freight. And then this is also Harbor Freight, but it's 100-watt. They can join via the little white apparatus on the back there. Both of them plug in. I just have it on a stand here. I used to have this all enclosed, but critters kept getting in there and gnawing on the wires. I found that if you have it open like this, then you don't have an issue. So it goes from the solar panels down here through that box to the charge controller, that blue thing there, to the red deal, which is an inverter, which gives you the right voltage for the pond pump. So it's rated for about a quarter of an acre pond. Now I've got an acre and a half pond here. So what it does is it's just enough motion on the top. You can see it boiling out there right here. It's just enough motion on the top to kind of keep it from being stagnant. It does throw in a little bit of oxygen for the fish, and they're healthy down there. You've seen my turtle videos and that too. So I just wanted to kind of share that with you because it's now the 4th of July, and you know, I like to get it out there in June. But you know, July, August, and into September it can get kind of hot around here, and the water level is pretty low at this point, so I need to help it a little bit. Now you're going to have a little evaporation problems here and there, but with stirring the water up like this, but you're going to have that anyway. So hey, like and subscribe if you're interested in more solar videos here, how this thing actually works.